enjoy learning and creating graphics in QBasic. First, let us review what QBasic is. QBasic is a programming language developed by Microsoft in 1985. It is the successor of earlier forms of BASIC, beginner's all-purpose symbolic instructions code. QBasic is an ideal programming language for beginners because of its simple commands, improved programming structures, better graphics and flexibility. It is an integrated development environmental IDE to write, edit, debug, and execute basic programs. Okay, do you know who are they? On the right is John G. Kameny and on the left is Thomas E. Kurtz. They designed BASIC language in 1964. Students, let me explain you constants and variables. Constants are the values that do not change during the execution of a program. Constants are of two types: numeric constants and character constants. Numeric constants are further divided into two types: integer and real constants. Integer constants are positive or negative numbers without any fractional part. For example, 12, 234, minus 786, etc. Real constants are the numbers with a fractional part. For example, 75.5, 46.25, etc. Character constants are also of two types: single character constant and string multi-character constant. A single character constant contains only a single character enclosed in double quotes. Example, D, F, etc. A string constant is a sequence of characters enclosed within double quotes. Example, KIPS, welcome to basic programming, etc. Now let us talk about variable. A variable is a meaningful name of data storage location in computer memory. It holds the value and continues until another value is assigned to it. A variable has a type, which is defined by the kind of value it holds. A numeric variable can hold only numbers that can be of integer, floating decimal, or long integer type. It is represented by an alphabet. A numeric variable should not contain any space or symbols, like caret, question mark, backslash, forward slash, @, etc. For example, a equals to 5 means the value 5 is assigned to the variable a. The second type of variable is string variable. It contains values, symbols, or text within double quotes. It is represented by an alphabet followed by the $sign. For example, $a equals to KIPS. Let me help with an example. Now, another way to think of a variable is to imagine a small bucket with a name on it. Put name dollars on it. This is the bucket's variable's name. Now take a piece of paper and write your name on it and drop it into the imaginary bucket. Now the variable name dollar has your name in it. Same ways, computer variables can only hold one piece of information, one value at a time. Okay, let's know more. The data variable or expression should be of the same type on either side of the statement. If variable is numeric, the data assigned to it should also be numeric, and so is the case with the string variables. Example, A equals to 42, $a equals to God is great. Alright students, let me tell you that you can use $, exclamation and hash signs in a variable name. Students, now let us have a discussion on constant variable. Now let me guide you how to start QBasic. Double-click on the QBasic icon on the desktop to start QBasic. The QBasic window will appear with the Welcome dialog box. Press Escape key to hide the Welcome dialog box. Type the following program and press F5 to run the program. CLS. Print, quoted, Welcome to the world of computers, quote close. End. Alright, now let us learn the QBasic statements. CLS stands for clear screen and is used to clear the screen. The print statement is used to display any message or the output of a program. The message has to be enclosed within quotes, but the constants, variables and expressions can be expressed as such. The syntax is line number, print, bracket in constant, bracket close, or bracket in variable, bracket close, or bracket in expression, bracket close, or bracket in message, bracket close, or bracket in list separated by commas or semicolons, bracket close. Let me give you an example. CLS A 50, B 100. Print, quote in, the value of A is, quote close, semicolon, A, semicolon, quote in, and B is, quote close, semicolon, B. It will print the values just after the statement. Print A, B. It will print the values after leaving some spaces. Print A plus B. It will print the sum of the values. End. Now the input command is used to enter the values, text or number while the program is being executed. This command waits for the user to enter the information and then assigns the values accordingly. The syntax is line number, input, bracket in, numeric or string variable, bracket close, 10, input A. We can also have a list of variables in an input statement, but they should be separated by commas. For this, the syntax is bracket in, line, number, bracket close, input, bracket in, variable 1, bracket close, comma, bracket in, variable 2, bracket close, comma, bracket in, variable 3, bracket close. Let us have one more example. Type the following program and press 5 to execute it. Print, what is your name? Input, name, $. Print, quote in, hi, comma, quote close, name, $, semicolon, quote in, comma, nice to see you, exclamatory mark, quote close. Print, quote in, how old are you, question mark, quote close, comma. Input age. Print, quote in, so are you, quote close, comma, age, comma, years, old, exclamatory mark, quote closed. End. Now the end command tells QBasic that the program ends here. We can also use input command to ask the user to enter the information. For example, input, what is your name? Name, $. It will also give the name result. Students, let me tell you about goto statement. Sometimes you want the program to jump to a particular line. Goto statement is used to transfer the control from one statement to another. The syntax is bracket in, line number, bracket close, go to, bracket in, line number, bracket close. So let us learn about if-then statement. This statement is used for making decisions based on the result of comparisons. The if command has to be followed by then command and lastly end if command. The syntax for this is if, bracket in condition, bracket close, then bracket in statement, bracket close. If the condition is true, then the instructions specified after then is executed. If the condition is false, the control shifts to the end if, ignoring everything after then statement on that line. Let us understand this with the help of examples. Input name $. If name $, equals to quote in wiki, quote close, then print, quote in hello wiki, exclamatory mark, quote close. End if. Let's look at another example. Input, quote in, do you want to print numbers 1 to 5, quote close, comma, y, $. If y $, equals to quote in yes, quote close, then print, quote in 1, quote close. Print, quote in 2, quote close. Print, quote in 3, quote close. Print, quote in 4, quote close. Print, quote in 5, quote close. End if. Here the program asks you a question. If you enter yes, then it prints 1 to 5 on the screen. Now let us discuss if, then, else statement. It is a conditional decision-making statement. If the condition given after if is true, statement specified after then is executed. But if the condition is false, the statement specified after else will be executed. The syntax is if, condition, then statement 1, else statement 2.
Let's look at an example.
To print series with a gap of 4 between 1 and 40. 10 n equals to 1. 20 if n smaller than 41, then go to 30, else go to 60. 30 print n. 40 n equals to n plus 4. 50 got to 20. 60 end.
Okay, let us now learn how to use graphics in QBasic.
In QBasic, it is very easy and interesting to create and display graphics on the screen. We use pixels, picture elements to draw lines, figures and patterns of different shapes. Before we proceed with making beautiful graphics, let us first understand the display characteristics of our monitor. We can have two common modes of display, medium resolution and high resolution. In medium resolution, computer screen is divided into 320 horizontal by 200 vertical pixels. And in high resolution, computer screen is divided into 640 horizontal by 200 vertical pixels. From medium resolution, the upper left is 0 by 0, the upper right is 319 by 0, the lower left is 0 by 199, the lower right is 319 by 199, and the center is 160 by 100. And for high resolution, the upper left is 0 by 0, the upper right is 639 by 0, the lower left is 0 by 199, the lower right is 639 by 199, and the center is 320 by 100. Students, note that the amount of pixels per unit area on the screen is called its resolution. Now we will talk about the screen statement. This statement is used to set the screen resolution. Its syntax is as follows. Line number, screen mode parameter. There are many screen modes that can be used in QBasic. Every mode has a different resolution and supports different number of colors. The following table displays the various screen modes with their resolution and the number of colors they support. Screen mode 1 has 320 by 200 resolutions and supports 4 colors. Screen mode 2 has a resolution of 640 by 200 and supports 2 colors. Screen mode 7 has 320 by 200 resolutions and supports 16 colors. Screen mode 8 has 640 by 200 resolutions and supports 16 colors. Screen mode 9 has 640 by 350 resolutions and supports 16 colors. Screen mode 10 has a resolution of 640 by 350 and supports 2 colors. Screen mode 11 has a resolution of 640 by 480 and supports 2 colors. Screen mode 12 has 640 by 480 resolutions and supports 16 colors. Screen mode 13 has 320 by 200 resolutions and supports 256 colors. Students, note this, that screen 0 mode can be used only for text. No graphics can be created in this mode. Except mode 0, all the modes can be used to create graphics. The default mode of the screen is mode 0. Students, let me share an important information about locate statement. Locate statement moves the cursor to the specified position on the screen. Locate row, column locate 5, 5. Okay, let me tell you the interesting fact. To set a point from where a particular drawing should start on the screen, pset statement is used. Pset xy, cx refers to column and y refers to row coordinate and c refers to color mode. Alright, let us now understand the color statement. This statement is used to set attractive screen colors for displaying the text and the graphics. Its syntax is as follows. Line number, color, parameter F. Line number, color, parameter F, parameter B. Where parameter F specifies the foreground color and parameter B specifies the background color. There are 16 color options for background and foreground color specified by the value 0 to 15. Now, let's look at the background color chart. In the chart, number 0 is for black, 1 is for blue, 2 is for green, 3 is for cyan, 4 is for red, 5 is for magenta, 6 is for brown, 7 is for gray, 8 is for dark gray, 9 is for light blue, for light green, 11 is for light cyan, 12 is for light red, 13 is for light magenta, 14 is for light yellow, and 15 is for white. Now let's create programs to demonstrate the use of color statement. CLS Color 2. Print foreground color is green. Another example, CLS Color 14, 2. Print quote in foreground color is yellow and background color is green, quote close. To change the background color of the whole screen, write the CLS statement after color statement. Color 14, 2. CLS Print foreground color is yellow and background color is green. Let us find out about the line statement. The line statement is used to draw a straight line between 2 points on the screen. For better output and proper colors, we should choose the screen mode that supports all the 16 colors given in the chart. The syntax is line x1 y1 minus x2 y2, color where x1 y1 and x2 y2 represent the start and end coordinates of a line drawn in the specified color. For better understanding on line statement, let us take example. Line 1620 minus 4421. The program will draw a blue line from point 1620 all the way to the points 4420. Let's draw an isosceles triangle with horizontal base. Screen 7. Color 4, 14. CLS. Print quote in, this is a triangle, quote close. Line 160, 30 minus 250, 180, comma 4. Line 250, 180 minus 70, 180, comma 2. Line 70, 180 minus 160, 30, comma 1. End. Let me share a fact. To draw vertical line, x-axis coordinates will remain the same for both starting and ending points of the line. Similarly, for drawing a horizontal line, only the x-axis coordinates will change and y-axis coordinates will remain the same. To draw a diagonal line on the screen, both x and y coordinates will change. Let us now learn how to draw boxes. With line statement, we can also draw boxes. Screen 7. Color 5, 50. CLS. Line 60, 60 minus 130, 100, 6, B. The letter B indicates the box option. In this statement, the coordinates 60, 60 and 130, 100 are the opposite corners of the rectangle. To fill the box with the desired color shade, add BF box fill option. Screen 7. Color 5, 50. CLS. Print. Quote in, this is a rectangle. Quote close. Line 60, 60 minus 130, 100, 6 BF. Okay students, note an important information about draw command. You can start a drawing from a fixed point which is set with pset command and move round on the screen and draw straight lines in 8 directions without specifying any pixel coordinates. The syntax is draw, quote in, direction, string, quote close. CLS, pset, 80, 80. Draw, quote in, R, 120, H, 60, G, 60, quote close. R120 will draw a 120 pixel straight line in the right direction. H60 and G60 will draw lines of length 60 pixels in the left upward and the left downward directions respectively. Now let us talk about the circle statement. The circle statement is used to draw a circle, ellipse or an arc of a circle. The syntax is circle, X, Y, RP. The coordinates X and Y specify the center location of a circle on the screen. R gives the value of the radius and P specifies the color code. Students, note that paint statement fills an object with a color. Its syntax is paint XY color border color. Look at this example for better understanding. Screen 7. Color 14, 5. CLS. Print, quote in, this is a circle, quote close. Circle, bracket in, 160, 100, bracket close, 70, 15. End. Students, let us now learn how to create sound in QBasic. Let us start with beep statement. If you want to add the beep sound, use beep statement. The syntax of using the beep statement is given below. CLS. Input, quote in, press enter to hear a beep, quote close, $. Beep. Now the play command is used to generate musical notes. The codes used to produce different musical notes are as follows. Play, quote in, E8, D8, C8, D8, E8, E8, E4, quote close. Play, quote in, C8, D8, E8, F8, G8, A8, B8, C4, quote close. End. Let us quickly glance through the key points discussed in this chapter. QBasic is a programming language developed by Microsoft in 1985. Constants are the values that do not change during the execution of a program. Constants are of two types, numeric and character. A variable is a meaningful name of data storage location in computer memory. It holds the value and continues until another value is assigned to it. Go-to statement is used to transfer the control from one statement to another. If, then, else is a conditional decision-making statement. In QBasic, every mode has a different solution and supports different number of colors. The circle statement is used to draw a circle, ellipse, or an arc of a circle.